The food is delicious. The soup is great. The staff service is very good. The park is very beautiful. It is recommended to have a chopstick pillow where you can put chopsticks and spoons. Because there are moss and easy to slip, you should pay attention to the water quality of some pools. It would be better if the small details of the planned accommodation in the park can be clearly marked because the appearance is too good. Guests will want to take pictures, but the staying guests will become a route that troubles Daibu. If there are too many people on buying the Eisen DIY plus vegetable food package will not provide physical tickets, so there is no discount for tickets to purchase. This package includes admission and directly enters the park. Klook vouchers are required for DIY and Eisen places. Overall, it is still very cost-effective. Recommended. The park is not big, but it is very beautiful. Eisen is very fun. The vegetarian food set meal it is really convenient to book the lodge tickets using the Klook app. If you booked last year, you can use it before the expiration date next year. I visited yesterday. Although the weather was not good, the staff in the park worked hard to keep the beautiful scenery. There are also cute animals to keep you company. You can also use the coupons to buy meal. Takuya Park is really big. Because there are 2 entrances, all the cars got lost. Fortunately, the customer service can guide them to the right place. Eisen is really interesting. The ice cream in the afternoon tea restaurant is super delicious but I have been paying attention to this attraction for a long time. Today I finally came to Zhou Ye Cottage. The outdoor landscape is very beautiful, and many places are suitable for taking pictures. The pet friendliness is a big plus for me. Surprisingly, the restaurant's vegetarian cuisine is better than many famous vegetarian restaurants. Although the entrance fee has been increased now, the park has opened up a beautiful garden area, so that the additional space will not be crowded due to the crowds, and the plants in the park are also richer and more diverse. The electronic ticket of 180 yuan can be used to offset the fee of 100 yuan, and 2 drinking coffee with friends, relaxing. It's a very comfortable and cozy place. If you happen to choose a seat by the window in the cafe, the water mist, the koi fish in the pond, and the trees will be really beautiful. The ticket price of 180 yuan can be discounted to 100 yuan, which is a good deal. After all, it is a scenic spot on the mountain and there are many mosquitoes. The vegetarian meal set is great and worth the price. Although it is vegetarian, everyone in our family ate so much and raved about it. The food was so plentiful and filling. The accommodation in the park is antique and full of flowers and plants. They were all taken care of and organized very well. It's a pity that I don't have enough time and I want to go to Eisen This time I tried the Eisen Plus Vegetarian Hot Pot Lunch Package. The dyeing process of Eisen's dyeing vat with both hands was very cold, but the completion process was very interesting. The vegetarian hot pot did not have many vegetarian ingredients like those outside, but mostly fresh fruits and vegetables. I could hear the raindrops falling in the We had already booked and arranged the indigo dyeing experience plus vegetarian meal package before the holiday. Although there were really a lot of people during the holiday, the indigo dyeing experience process was very fun and the finished product was quite successful. Everyone liked the finished work very much. Not only that, the vegetarian dishes for dinner are